Okay, I'm a liar. I said I wasn't going to use AI to list my items online, and here we are. I'm using AI to list my items online. The technology has gotten way better, and with the new updates, I'm just not as fast as the AI is on Nifty. A lot of my followers have recently asked how I list my items using the AI now, so I will show you from start to finish how I do it. You know, I like to just get to the point, so this isn't going to be a super long video. Let's go. Set up my photo station. Lights on. Both of them. Have my measuring tape, measuring stick, my bad. And my favorite brand, Polo Ralph Lauren. And my favorite pattern, gingham check. Have my shirt ready for photos. I usually only take about 4 or 5 photos with these shirts because I just sell them so quickly. Oh, let's take photos, but I'm recording this from my phone. So I'll just tell you what I'm taking. I'm gonna take a front photo. My cover photo look like this. I'm gonna do a nice pit to pit using the measuring tape. AI will read that. The length from top to bottom, AI will read that too. The size, and this one's cotton, so I'm not gonna take a picture of the fabric content. But on most items, I do suggest you do that. Take a picture of the back shot, you know you like it. Let's do one more item so I can give you examples of both. This is a Bonobos sweater, it's a quarter zip, extra small. Gonna prep this, take a few photos of it. There's one photo right there. Again, gonna do my pit to pit. Gonna do another click for the length. Turn it over, get the back side, click. Then I'm gonna take 2 photos, 1 of the fabric content and 2 of the style code. Let's see if Nifty's AI picks up on that. 2 items, I'm gonna show you how I make the drafts on my phone, and then I'll go over to Nifty on my laptop. You can do it on your phone too, and I'll show you what I do from there. Let's go. Hop into your Nifty app, click in the bottom left, their inventory tab, and then on the top right, there's an add tab. In the middle of the screen, there's a browse files. Click on that one. That's where you're gonna upload your photos. Again, with this one, I'm just gonna upload my gingham check Polo Ralph Lauren shirt. They're gonna be on there. I'm just gonna click on save it as a draft. I'm gonna go through that same process for each one of my items that I took photos of. Here's the Bonobo sweater. I'm gonna bring that one into the app as well. And then we'll hop on over to the computer. Here we go on the laptop. I uploaded those photos into my drafts, and I will show you where those drafts are right here under your inventory. You're gonna go to your drafts, and there are the 2 that I just took photos of. But before we go to that, let's go back to inventory. If you're new to Nifty, or if you already have Nifty, at least I'll go through just a little bit. Here's your inventory. It's cross-listed over to these platforms. You'll see if I go back that I am signed in on all these platforms. I sell on these 4. And it also has like sales detection. So if something sells on one platform, it gets rid of it from the other one so it doesn't double sell. And also the automation feature, so it sends out offers and shares and does all those things and relists, recreates on eBay and all that stuff. So it helps you get sales, which a lot of you mostly know, but if you're new to Nifty, it's the bomb, and it's your spreadsheet. So you have your spreadsheet here and then like all your insights. But going back to inventory, actually going to settings, what you want to do, this is an extra step that you'll need to do before you actually do the AI part. And it's not a big, long extra step. Don't get all freaked out. You're going to go to shipping presets. Now, this is where you'll go. You'll create your own. You can just add a preset. And this is so later on, I'll show you on the back end, it makes it much easier. So eBay, I have my shipping preset, which I have a shipping policy on eBay, which is flat rate under £1. So I have that all tied in here. It's under £1. And then my shipping 2, my preset 2 is anything over a pound, so like a £2 item. So you just enter those, super duper easy. I'll show you on the back end why it's easier. We're going to go back to drafts. All right, let's click on the item. And then, so I took those photos, boom, we're going to generate it. It's men's, we're going to generate the listing. So right now, Nifty's AI is reading through all the information, and it's gotten a lot better. And I'll show you in a second too. I forgot to show you how it's gotten a lot better with the titles. And again, this is just raw. This is me going through it. I think some of you guys appreciate this more because it's not like a tutorial that's wham bam. I'm showing you everything right away. So we're going through it, kind of like my lives. And it will generate the listing. Boom, right there. There's my cover photo, da 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 da. And so here's your title. Now I'm going to show you real quick. Look, it has your title in there. And it has all the words I like. Gingham check, which is my favorite print. Those are my favorite. Ralph Lauren, button down, men's large blue, gingham check, long sleeve shirt. Has a size, has all the description, condition, everything. I just have to enter in the price, which I do $21.99 for these. Actually, for the gingham check, I do $22.99. And then here's your shipping preset. That's what I'll do option one because it's under a pound. So it's ready to go on there. The only thing I do is it's already on Poshmark. It's ready to go everywhere. The only thing I do, I put it in my category in my store on eBay, which is my shirts. You don't have to do that. It's my casual shirts, and it's ready to go. So all I do from here is list it, and boom, it's listing on all of those platforms. So done. Boom, boom, boom. Super easy. And I can go through this. I go through this while watching TV at night really, really quickly. We'll go to inventory and just refresh this. And there it is right there. So it's already listed. Boom, on all that. I do want to go to, we're going to go to the bulk generation settings. And right here is what they've added. So you can do custom instructions. So for the title, I want my title to have the brand first, then the product, then the gender, size, color. You can have it however you want. And then your description, and then condition. I want my condition excellent unless I change it because most of my conditions are excellent or items are in excellent condition. So you can have the format, the AI reads you and figures out how you want everything. And now you can tell it what you want the title structure to be. I haven't done anything different, so I'm going to save it. So we'll go back to there and you'll be able to see brand. It's a shirt, gender, the size, the color, and then the extra stuff like I told it. So again, brand, and then what it is. It's a shirt. It's the men's. It's a large. The color, all of that. So here's another. Here's a quarter zip. Callaway quarter zip. Men's size. It does it exactly how you've told it to do it. So let's go back again to drafts. You already saw me do one. Here's the other one now. Remember, this is the one that I took pictures of the material tag and the style code. So let's see if it will figure those portions out. And I'm doing this raw. So I'm going to generate the listing. It's a men's. So AI again is going to, it's reading the measurements, it's reading the size, it's reading the color, the pattern, all the item specifics. It's doing all this crazy stuff. I can't list as quick as this now. So now I'm doing, especially with the title structure and everything, it's just gotten so much smarter and it's just going to continue to get smarter. So it's generating the listing on this item that is not a self-similar or not an item I've listed before. Let's see if it's read exactly what it is. So let's see. Bonobos quarter zip, men's extra small, which it is, herringbone, cashmere, and even put the style code in the title. So it's got cashmere, it's got your pit to pit, your length. It read all of that information. Now you have to figure out the price for this. You can go anywhere to figure out. Obviously, you can go like sold comps. We'll probably just put $32.99 for now, so we have an idea. And then again, this was actually really lightweight, so I'm going to do under a pound again. And that's 3,000. I want $32.99. All right. Again, this is raw, y'all. There it is. Everything's done. Other than I'll put up my store categories. It's going to go under sweaters. Done on every single platform and list it. So there's no way I can list that item and cross list it on all platforms faster than that. Plus enter in all the extra item specifics and everything. So good. We'll go back to inventory, a refresh, and it's listed. So I can take those photos, save all those drafts. I literally saves me half the time to do that. So the new AI on Nifty is unbelievable. Again, the automation, everything. You want to try Nifty. Of course, as always, you can go to surfsupfinds.com and I have a free trial right here at the top and a discount off your first month. Also, I have other stuff on here. But yeah, use that free trial, give it a shot. It's the bomb. If you use it, go ahead in the comments, say if you like it or if you don't. If you like something better, if you don't, get some conversation going. And that's it. Hopefully this video has helped some of you, and I'll see you guys in the next one.